The BODMAS rule bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in mathematics, since it gives the order in which the mathematical operator should be used in an expression. Now, similar to mathematics in MS Excel also, we have the BEDMAS rule for doing the calculation based on arithmetic formula. Now, the letter O is replaced by the letter E here. Now, E stands for exponentiation. The other remains same. For calculating any arithmetic expression in MS Excel, the Excel follows the hierarchy of the operators. Now, this is the chart of the hierarchy of operators according to their priority or their precedence. So, if in an expression it contains a parenthesis, then the parenthesis should be evaluated at first, then followed by exponentiation. Now, multiplication and division both have the same precedence or same priority. So, if a formula contains both multiplication and division operators, then MS Excel evaluates these operators from left to right. So, if multiplication comes at left, starting from evaluating the expression from left to right like this. So, here the multiplication comes at left, so MS Excel first evaluate this multiplication operation, then followed by the division operation. And if you look into next one, like 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 5, so I'm just exchanging their positions. So in this case we have division operation at the left. So since MS Excel evaluates the operators from left to right, so the division operation will perform at first, then followed by the multiplication operation. Similarly, in case of addition and subtraction, it gets the least priority. So for an expression contains addition and subtraction operation, this operation will be evaluated at the last, and addition and subtraction, they both are getting the same precedence, but like as similar to multiplication division, the MS Excel operation evaluate these operators from left to right. So if addition comes at the left like this, so if addition in this expression, the addition will be evaluated at first, then the subtraction operation. Considering to the next operation, the subtraction operation will be evaluated at first, then the addition operation. So let's see how these operators are actually worked and how we can evaluate the result by using this hierarchy of operators in an expression. 3 plus 2 minus 4. Let's see how Excel evaluates this one. So equals to, as we know that each and every formula must begin with an equals to sign. So equals to 3 plus 2 minus 4. Now it evaluates to 1. So go to the next one. 5 minus 4 plus 6. 5 minus 4 plus 6. Its evaluates to 7. So let's see how Excel evaluates the both expressions. So for this, what you have to do, select the cell that you want to check the evaluation process. Click on the formulas tab. Inside the formulas tab, you have an option evaluate formula under the formula auditing group. So click on the evaluate formula. Now our dialog box with the name evaluate formula will appear. Now here you can see that the expression 3 plus 2 minus 4. So this underline means that the operation having the underline, so this operation will be evaluated at first, So 3 plus 2 means 5. Yes. Then minus 4. So the result is 5 minus 4, which is evaluates to 1. Is 1. This is the result. So since we know that addition and subtraction both have the same precedence, and since Excel perform the operations from left to right, so in left the addition operator comes first, so definitely it will get evaluated at first, then followed by the subtraction operation. So in the next case, again click on the evaluate formula to check the evaluation process. You can see here 5 minus 4, both of the operators have the same precedence, though since Excel evaluates the operators from left to right, and in our left the minus, the subtraction operation comes at first, so Excel first evaluate the subtraction operation. This underlines means this 5 minus 4 will be evaluated at first, then with the result addition operation will perform. So 5 minus 4 means 1, 1 plus 6, which is evaluates to 7. So here is how Excel evaluate an expression. So let's check for the third one. 4 multiplied by 8 plus 4. So two operators are here, multiplication and addition. So multiplication has the highest priority as compared to the addition. So since multiplication has the highest priority as compared to the addition, so therefore multiplication operation will be evaluated at first, and then with the result of this 4 will be added with the result of 4 multiplied by 8. Let's see, 36. So 4 multiplied by 8, which is basically 32, plus 4 means 36. Next one, before evaluating, as we know that both of the multiplication and division, both operators have the same precedence. So again Excel evaluates the operator from left to right, and since we have multiplication operation at our left, so this multiplication operation will be evaluated at first, followed by the division operation. So equals to 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. Divided by 5. Enter. This one is 4. Now again click on the evaluate formula to check. This one, multiplication operation will be evaluated first since it occurs at the left, and then with the result division operation will be calculated. It evaluated the result to 4. This one. Now this one will be division operation will be evaluated at first, followed by the multiplication operation. This one, division is performing first, then with the result the multiplication is performing. So you can see that in both cases we have just exchanged the operators with each other, and here is how the result varies. So next come to our to evaluate the next expression. 32 divided by 2 caret, that means exponentiation, 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5. So in a mixed expression, according to the hierarchy of operators, exponentiation will be evaluated first, means 2 exponent 4 will be evaluated at first, then followed by division operation, multiplication, and then addition. So let's check this one. So this one is performing at first, with this result 2 carried 4, that means 16. Now division has the second priority, so 32 divided by 16 is basically 2. Then multiplication getting the third priority here in this expression, so 3 multiplied by 5, 15, and 15 plus 2, this one is the last priority. Addition has the last priority as compared to the others, 17. Calculate this one. As we know that bracket or parenthesis has the highest priority or precedence, so the parenthesis will be calculated at first. So check the evaluation process. The bracket has the highest priority, then followed by this one, exponentiation. Then with this result 2 carried 2 means 4, 2 to the power 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. Multiplication will get performed after this, and with this result 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Then at last division will perform. So this is how Excel evaluates the Excel evaluates arithmetical operators according to their hierarchy, and obviously follows this rule. First, bracket will be evaluated at first, followed by exponent operation, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Though these two, multiplication and division, has the same precedence, so Excel evaluates the operators from left to right, and similar to addition and subtraction, in this case also Excel evaluates the operators from left to right also.